Experience the cultural fusion was the theme for this year's staging of the Civil Heritage Expo, and students, teachers, and patrons were fully immersed in the activities of the day. The Western Roundup team was there, and we bring you the highlights. Stick around.
But with Alawa, we everybody want follow the root help shape for we future. Not to mention the culture. Celebrate Jamaica from the root to the fruit. Tiana telling you the truth.
Some 5,000 students, teachers, and parents converged on the grounds of the Civil Heritage Park on October 11, immersing themselves in a day of cultural experience ranging from exhibitions, dance, art, and music. The event was the 25th staging of the Civil Heritage Expo, held under the theme Experiencing the Cultural Fusion.
Civil Heritage Expo, it says its name, but in addition to that, it is an event that reaches the education fraternity, and we center mostly on the history and social studies. So we look at the syllabus of high schools, primary schools in Jamaica, and we try to carve most of the activities around that. We bring together almost everything that represents Jamaica. So we have the cultural aspect of it, we have the career section of it.
Teachers participating in the event welcomed the initiative as a tool to further enhance and bolster the teaching learning process.
It is my first time here. It is important that students learn their culture, and especially for those who are preparing for PEP examinations, it's crucial for the social studies content. So it's a great experience for them.
It is very important to give the children a experience of our rich heritage, and also myself. This is an experience I definitely know the children will enjoy, and when we go back to school we can really talk about what we saw here today on display. Once you're involved practically, you'll never forget. And going back and having rich discussion of what we saw today, it will help the children going forward.
It's a good experience. Students were able to come and experience heritage from a different perspective, because we normally celebrate at school. However, they were able to experience it at a higher level than would normally share at school.
Similarly, the students found the day equally educational.
I learned about my culture more and about the Tainos and the other ethnic groups and the people who came to Jamaica and things that they do.
I learned about the Tainos. I learned how to march. We had a project and we decided to come here. We had a history essay to write about.
Though mainly educational, the day was not short of fun and entertainment.
What is that?
The concert, it was just very lively and very nice. And my favorite artist was Granny.
The entertainment, the rides, the food, the stay, the people. I learned a couple questions that people answer on the stage that I didn't know the answer to.
It was amazing. I had a lot of fun. My children had a lot of fun, especially with the rides and the music, the dance, especially Bashment Granny, she turned up. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. It was very amazing.
The rides were also a big hit for the children. The event also featured exhibitions from stakeholders who praised the event.
Heritage is important, and we want to be a part of this program because in the Money Museum we teach children about our history, our heritage, especially when it comes to our money. So those two things are really important. And of course, this wonderful Heritage Fest, there's no way something like this will be happening and Bank of Jamaica will not be in charge. So we want to educate, inform and entertain the children.
What our company stands for is ecotourism, where from the person who likes some luxury but really wants to experience the cultures or the countries they visit, to the person who wants to just completely be involved and immersed and learn something new. And so this sort of event where it's a full immersion culturally, you can tell that because of the fact that it holds the attention of kids. That is an indicator that it appeals to everyone. Young kids, older kids, you don't have to worry about whether or not it's appropriate for them. And so this is really, really in line with everything that Indulge Travel stands for.
Exhibitors included the Embassy of Japan, RADA, JIS, Bank of Jamaica, Charlestown Maroons, Institute of Jamaica, Taki Heritage, Tainos, Ministry of Health and Wellness, Jamaica National Heritage Trust, UNESCO, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The 320-acre Silver Heritage site boasts a museum, heritage education center, which displays a wide array of artifacts and ruins representing an accurate and comprehensive report of our Amerindian, European, and African foreparents, their individual cultures, and how these cultures interacted.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.